Then let me just copy the name of the activity. Alright, then right click on your package name, then new, and then activity, and then finally click on empty activity. Then under the activity name, I'm going to paste the same name that I have mentioned in the intent, that is register activity. We can just click on finish. Alright, now coming back to the main activity, you can observe that the error has gone away. So we can start with the register activity now. So let's just open the layout for the register activity first. Alright, then let me change this constant layout to scroll view, and then add Android background, add drawable / bg. Then getting inside it, let's define one linear layout and layout width to match parent, then layout height to wrap content, and the orientation is going to be vertical. Alright, then getting inside the linear layout, I'll start by creating a text view. Let the width be match parent and layout height be wrap content. Then let's define text property, and I'll just say sign up now. Alright, then let's define text appearance property. At style / text appearance dot app compat dot headline. Alright, then text alignment, let it be center. Then we have to change the color of the text to white, so I'll just define text color property. Alright, then let's add some margin on the top. Alright, then we can just close this text view and create a new relative layout. Under this relative layout, I'm going to create the edit text to take the input from the user. Let's define the background at drawable / border. We have already defined border XML file, so we can just directly use it. Then let's set up some of the margins. Let's say margin start be 30 dp, margin end also 30 dp, then margin top 50 dp, and then we can have a overall padding as 15 dp. Alright, and then we can just open the layout of main activity, and we can copy the edit text which we have defined for taking email as the input. So I'll just copy this entire edit text, and I'll open the register activity layout file again, and I'll just paste it inside this relative layout. Alright, and let's paste it once again. So I'll paste it 3 times in total. The first one is for the register name. So I'll just change the ID. That is, we have to take the name of the user. And I'll just get rid of this layout below property, since this edit text is the first element under the relative layout. And I'll change the input type to text person name. Alright, then in the second edit text, I'll just change the ID to register email. Alright, and here we have to change the layout below property also, and here we have to use edit text register name, because we want this edit text which is for the email to be below the edit text which is for the name. Alright, and I'll just reduce the margin top property. Alright, then finally we have the last edit text which is for the password. So I'll just make the changes accordingly. Alright, now all the edit text are lined up properly. Now we can open the layout file of the main activity once again, and this time I'll copy the login button. Alright, coming back to the layout of the register activity, I'll just paste the button below the edit text for password, and I'll change the layout below property first so that we can align it properly. Then I'll have to change the ID, and I'll make it button register. Alright, change the text also, it should be register or sign up. Alright, now we need to add the progress bar. So for that also we can just open the layout of the main activity and copy the progress bar from there. Alright, and then we can just paste it in the layout of the register activity, and we don't have to change anything here. And I think the only thing left is the eye icon, which we want next to the password edit text, which can be used to hide or show password. So let's open the layout of the main activity once again, and this time I'll just copy the image view which is below the edit text for password. Just copy this image view. Alright, return back to the register activity, and then just below the edit text which is for password we can paste the image view. Alright, and then we have to change this layout below property. We have to make it edit text register email. Alright, the eye icon is aligned up properly. Then let's start the app once again and see how are the things going in the app. So we have this sign up now link. If we click on it, the register activity is opening up. Alright,